360, baby.
Don't miss anything.
No, just playing with the touch screen. You can touch the screen to move it, which is crazy. So I've got a question for you. Why did you really want to get this camera? Like, what sort of pulled you in? Because obviously I showed you last Wednesday. Yeah. The camera had been out 1 week. What really pulled you in about the Osmo 360?
The simple question is 360.
It's 360, hey?
And actually, you won't miss anything. You can't miss anything.
Do you know?
That's the big difference between the Pocket 3 and this one.
Yeah, sneaky.
This one is so sneaky. Like, you can actually record people without actually, they can actually notice they're being recorded.
Yeah, 100%.
It's crazy.
Like, this is something you can pull out really quickly and get the scenery really instantly.
The drone, but the drone you won't be able to use it everywhere.
No, and a drone can have its issues.
In some countries you can't even use it.
Yeah.
So this one, no problem. Take it out and use it.
Yeah, 100%. It moves sometimes. And do you know, right now we don't have the stick right out. I've just sort of got it just while we walk, like, and it's actually quite comfortable as well.
Yeah, like this, yeah.
Yeah, it's comfortable.
It's cool because you can actually adjust the screen just with your finger. Okay, done.
Yeah. Actually have been using the DJI Pocket Pro in the creator combo since January, and we noticed that the new DJI Osmo 360 came out. We had to get it. We're thinking that we want to use it alongside our DJI Pocket Pro, and we want to show you the differences and compare the differences today. So look at this. This is the case. What I would say, we got the combo, so it comes with like the battery port, it comes with the cord to charge, the stick, the case, and also a cover for the actual camera and a cleaner. The only thing I would say with this cover, it's a little bit inconvenient because I find like it's hard to really zip entirely up with the cover on it. You probably don't really need it here, but when we take it off, this is the DJI 360 and it connects to the stick like this. It's very long. Let's see if it's taller than me. Not quite.
Almost.
So you can sort of see I'm 5 foot tall, so that would be sort of how big it would be when you use it. And what's cool about it is it shoots in 8K. It does 50 frames. Turn it around. 50 frames per second at 8K, and you can do anywhere from 4K to 8K, whereas the DJI in the Pocket Pro only does 4K, 30 frames. So very different in regards to quality. So what we're going to do today is play around with both so you can feel the difference. What I do have today as well, I'll show you because I carry this handbag around and I think this is really valuable for people to see online. This is how the DJI Pocket Pro comes in a container that you can put in your bag, and then we have the 360, but obviously the stick for the 360 will not go in this case, so you just need to be mindful. So for all the ladies out there that are looking for one that fits in their handbag, this one, the DJI Pocket Pro, can sometimes be a bit annoying if your handbag's quite like small, whereas this one I feel with the stick you're probably going to find it's a little bit easier as well. The size of your handbag, like that's the stick there, so it can be quite long for handbags too, little handbags, it will stick out.
What's up? Do you have to say something about it? What do you think about Osmo 360?
So guys, the camera's on, we're ready to go. I've just learnt that this button here maneuvers back and forth like that, so that's how you can sort of bend with the long stick when you're holding it as like a selfie. And you can see with the camera it's like full 360, and what we've actually done is set it as like a 360 mode. And for today, because we have been told there's like an inbuilt inbuilt microphone in this one, we're not going to use the microphone in what we're filming on for the Pocket Pro today, just to compare the differences in sound as well. But literally, if I go like this, I can sort of just walk around like that. It is pretty obvious that you're using it, but I think for what you're using it for, like coincided with the smaller Pocket Pro, it's really, really cool. I feel like, I wish it was almost like manually, like there was a button that you could move that. It's like every time you move the camera, you've got to make sure it's in the right position. Shall we film? So we'll press the button. There we go. It's light, it's not heavy. It's light. It just feels very different to like the Pocket. Something else I want to add is in regards to charging ports. So with the DJI Osmo 360, it comes with a 3 charging port, and it's just one literal cord that you plug in and it charges all 3 at once. Whereas this one with the DJI Pocket Pro, because with the creator combo you don't get like a port to charge, so I find it can be really annoying because you have to individually charge each battery and each camera. So that's something else I've noticed as well with the camera itself.
What do you think about it?
What do I think about it? I think it's very unusual with the stick to use
What's it like?
And what I find is when I go back like that, well, it's not doing it now, but yeah, of course, but I've got it off at the moment. But it's just getting used to manoeuvring the stick because I'm used to obviously the Pocket Pro, which it's not on a stick. But I think it's going to be unreal when you're getting like scenery, you know, like beautiful buildings like the Flinders Street Station.
Yeah.
It's so much better than the Pocket Pro because it's hard to get the zoom and the full picture, whereas this will get the 360. But with the Pocket Pro, it's like so much easier if you need to quickly pull it out. You want to get something like really detailed or small, but the quality's better on this one too. So I think using them in conjunction with one another is probably better than just, I don't think I could use this on its own personally. But we're still yet to try the walking and selfie mode, so Saeed 360 mode. Okay guys, now we are going to test out the sound without any microphone. As you know, with the DJI Osmo 360 there is a built-in mic, whereas the Pocket Pro, we usually connect the DJI mic, and we are in a very crowded place. Okay guys, now we are going to test out the sound without any microphone. As you know, with the DJI Osmo 360 there is a built-in mic, whereas the Pocket Pro, we usually connect the DJI mic, and we are in a very crowded place. Okay, so you will notice as well the colour grading is very different between the cameras. The Osmo 360 has definitely developed in regards to the colour in the offering, and you can see it side by side. So yeah, DJI baby. Okay guys, now no stick.
Yeah, no stick.
Even though you can't see that because it's invisible.
It looks different.
It's actually not bad. Do you know how nice this feels in the palm of my hand?
It's tiny, small.
Can you please get me holding it?
No,
The camera, yeah. And this is how it fits in my hand. It's not bad with the stick. I do love the size walking along like this, like selfie, you know, like talking. It feels really nice in the hand. Right?
Yeah, it's small.
It's small. It feels beautiful. It's not heavy. Very different without the stick. The stick is something you've got to get used to for sure. But like this, insane. We were just having a conversation that I wonder what it would be like using it with food. You know, like at a restaurant. I do love the size. Walking along like this, like selfie. You know, like talking. It feels really nice in the hand. Very different without the stick. The stick is something you've got to get used to for sure, but like this, insane. So yeah, I think personally, from my opinion, after using this today, I wouldn't use this as my only camera. Would you agree with that?
No. Because there are some specific areas you can use this.
Yeah.
So, because it's too obvious, because, like, let's say you go to a restaurant, you can...
No, it's not.
No,
And it can get heavy, but the reason we brought this camera is obviously, we've mentioned in one of our vlogs, we're moving, so I think it's great for scenery, it's great for buildings. It's great, I think, for B-roll and even just selfie and walking.
Yeah, it is.
Like, I think for selfie and walking, like what we're doing, it's fantastic.
Yeah, you got like 360, view,
Yeah.
so...
But I
So
think
it's something you won't get it with the Pocket
100%.
Pro.
It's trippy, like. But I think using it in conjunction with the Pocket Pro, it's like the perfect mix because they're both small. They both fit in your handbag in a different sense, which we spoke about. Yeah, so it's like it will definitely.
But at the same time, we're talking, but you're getting the view at the same time.
Right.
Yeah. It's 360.
Yeah, it's crazy.
When you get home, you can just cut it.
And that's playing with my mind because with the Pocket Pro, it's like you have to go around.
Yeah,
But this, I'm like,
this one you don't need.
your brain completely switches. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's good.
And you can go down and then up, like to make it really, really crazy. It's just I think in Europe it's going to be insane, and specifically for Morocco. Like, can you imagine walking through the souk using this in Morocco?
To the souk,
yeah.
I think everybody goes. This one is cool. Like if you wanna get the whole panoramic.
Yeah,
No,
but definitely not on its own. I think in conjunction with like the DJI.
With a normal camera, another camera. You need another camera for sure. Yeah.
I think the only thing that annoys me is the button for record. There's nothing on the stick.
Yeah.
We were saying that before. That's been a bit irritating for me.
Yeah, that would be good. When you put it out,
Yeah, like you can just sort of press it, but you can't do that. And I think that's that's a minor thing. It's their first release of a 360 camera, so now that you've moved that, look at that.
360, it's pretty cool. I just love the fact it's 360.
I think for travel, it's a good second option, definitely. Like personally, for us and our channel, it's a great second option.
The drone is good too, but I think this one you can use it more.
So we thought about a drone, but the thing is, it's like a lot more complicated. It probably, when you're in a rush, I think it's going to take a lot more time to get the drone up and fly it.
Yeah.
This is like something you can pull out and have ready really quickly. Like this is something you can pull out really quickly and get the scenery really instantly.
Drone, but
Whereas
the drone you won't be able to use it everywhere.
No, and a drone can have its issues.
In some countries you can't even use it.
Yeah.
So this one, no problem. Take it out and use it.
Yeah, 100%. So that's why we invested in it. We got obviously the creator combo, which we spoke about, and I think you guys should give it a go. It's been really good fun playing with it today. After a day of filming, do you know what we've learned? This stick is only invisible. So after a day of filming, this is why we made this video, to trial and error the camera. This stick is only invisible if it is parallel, the camera is parallel with the stick. So you will notice in some of our footage today, you can see the stick, and that's because the camera is literally like this. It always needs to be parallel to be able to have the stick invisible, which is crazy to me. So if we go like this and start recording, right? It's probably hard with the camera, you can't see.
You have to do like this.
Yeah, so there is our stick. Okay, so the stick
See,
at the
you
moment.
can't see the stick now, see?
Yeah, it's gone.
See, it's gone. So as soon as you do like this,
And you move it. Yeah, so you moved it that
yeah,
way.
see? The skin appear.
It's going to appear. Yeah, there it is. Crazy. Something we didn't know. The things you learn. See, the other thing is you can't zoom, can you? You can't zoom, or you can?
You try with your 2 fingers.
2 fingers. How am I meant to do that? No.
Yeah, this one is cool, I like it. And it's 8K, you know,
Yeah.
so it's so, like, the color is just
Insane.
amazing. Yeah.
See, we can move the stick a bit. Just change the direction. Yeah. Beautiful day for Melbourne too to do this.
See? It's perfect.
Absolutely beautiful. But yeah, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Our channel is going to get a whole lot more wild with 2 cameras now. So it's
Traveling a little bit.
slowly getting better at using both cameras in conjunction with one another. So if you want to see the DJI Pocket Pro and the DJI Osmo 360 working in conjunction with one another throughout Europe and Morocco, you'll have to keep an eye on our channel. But yeah, thank you for tuning in, and let us know in the comments what you think about the DJI range and what camera is your favourite, or what camera you recommend from DJI. Ciao guys! The end.
Yeah, well.
The end. Thank you for joining our episode today.
To them.
DJI Osmo 360, baby.
Welcome home.
Welcome home to Amazia Dunya. And it's the end of our episode today.